Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Kickstart, your go-to channel
Next
for all
level,
things
to block
crypto.
on-chain equal
Today we're
centralized
diving
data.
deep into Phemex's amazing bonus opportunities. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this review will give you all the insights you need to maximize your benefits on Phemex. And don't forget, you can use the Phemex referral code JIYBQ7 to get some fantastic bonuses. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about Phemex itself. Phemex is a professional and trustworthy global cryptocurrency and derivatives trading platform known for its competitive fee structure and generous bonuses. But what exactly are these bonuses, and how can you make the most of them? Phemex offers a variety of bonuses, including welcome bonuses, deposit bonuses, trading bonuses, and referral bonuses. These bonuses are designed to enhance your trading experience and reward you for your activity on the platform. For new users, Phemex offers a welcome bonus that can significantly boost your initial trading capital. By signing up and completing a few simple tasks, you can claim up to $50 in welcome rewards. Just register, verify your account, and you're good to go. Next up, we have the deposit bonus. By making a single deposit of $50 or more, you can receive a spot cashback voucher worth $10. This is a great way to get started with trading on Phemex without having to worry too much about initial costs. Phemex also offers trading bonuses that can be used for both spot and contract trading. For example, you can get a $5 contract cashback voucher by following a trader for the first time, or a $10 spot cashback voucher by making a single spot trade of $100 or more. These bonuses help you save on fees and reduce your trading costs. Don't forget about the referral bonuses. By inviting your friends to join Phemex using your referral code, you can earn up to 5,100 Phemex tokens per referral. Just use the referral code JIYBQ7 to start earning rewards for every friend who signs up and starts trading. Phemex regularly hosts special promotions and events, such as the Phemex Token to the Moon event. By participating in these events, you can earn additional rewards, including a share of the 2 million PT airdrop and other exciting prizes. It's important to understand the terms and conditions associated with these bonuses. For example, trading bonuses and vouchers cannot be withdrawn or transferred between accounts. They can be used to cover up to 50% of your trading fees and losses. Make sure to complete all tasks within the specified timeframes to qualify for the rewards. Compared to other major exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, Phemex stands out for its generous bonuses and user-friendly platform. The additional rewards available through their VIP program and promotional events make Phemex a highly attractive option for both new and experienced traders. Users generally praise Phemex for its comprehensive bonus structure and easy-to-use platform. Many appreciate the variety of bonuses and the ability to significantly reduce trading costs through these rewards. To wrap it up, Phemex offers a fantastic range of bonuses that can benefit all types of traders. From welcome bonuses to referral rewards, there are plenty of opportunities to enhance your trading experience on Phemex. Don't forget to use the referral code JIYBQ7 when you sign up to get some great bonuses and kickstart your trading journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Crypto Kickstart for more crypto tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.